I'm Simi as gitu nih, ay.
Okay. Hello everyone. Parang hello everyone ya.
Satu, dua, tiga.
Satu, dua, tiga.
Hello everyone.
Let's introduce ourselves first.
Hello everyone.
Let's introduce ourselves first. I'm Nessa Asalia. I'm Anira Kaputri.
Siapa teteh? Hello everyone.
Let's introduce ourselves first. I'm Nessa Asalia. It's Bella.
And I'm Simi as Eva. I'm Fitri as Dina.
I'm Zara as Citra. Check it out.
I agree. The weather is important. If it rains, it will be hard for us to meet outside.
What? Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Shut down.
Hello everyone. Today we need to plan our good work. We also have to think about the weather because it can affect our schedule. I agree. The weather is important. If it rains, it will be hard for us to meet outside.
I'm sorry, I disagree with I think we can meet even if the weather is raining.
I understand both of you. The weather can be a problem, but we can prepare. But my advice is always to check the weather before we meet.
So, when should we meet with our discussion?
I agree that we should meet in the afternoon when the weather is usually better. I disagree. The afternoon is often hot and tiring.
My advice is to meet in the morning when the weather is cooler. I agree with Dina. Morning meetings are more comfortable.
What about the place? Should we meet outside or inside?
I agree with meeting inside because the weather is unpredictable. I disagree. Meeting outside can be more relaxing, guys.
My advice is to choose an indoor place but near open area. I agree that is over if the weather changes.
Let's talk about task division. Does the weather affect our tasks?
I agree. Bad weather can slow our work, especially for field activities. I'm sorry guys, I disagree. We can see all the research from home.
My advice is to divide the tasks into online and offline work. I agree that will make our work more flexible.
Before we finish, does anyone have advice for good teamwork?
My advice is to communicate well, especially if the weather changes or plan. Yes, I agree. Communication is very important.
I disagree a little. Communication is important, but discipline is also needed. I agree. My advice is to respect time and each other.
Alright, so we'll plan our group work carefully, consider the weather, and support each other. Do you all agree? Yes, we agree! Okay, let's divide the task now. I can work on the introduction, but I think we need to manage our time well because it might rain today.
I agree. With dividing the task for me, when the weather changes, it's better if everyone already knows the I disagree with doing everything separately. I think some tasks are better than together so we can discuss and avoid mistakes.
That makes sense. My advice is to work together on the difficult parts and do the easier part individually. I agree with Dina. That way we can save time and still help each other.
Okay, now let's talk about our discussion part. The weather topic is important because it affects our group activities.
That's right. For example, when the weather is rainy, it is hard for students to meet and work outside. I disagree a bit. I think technology
but opinions are good. My advice is to include both points in your estimate so it will balance.
I agree. Showing different opinions will make our assignment more interesting.
I feel a little bit tired now. The weather is getting warmer and it makes me lose focus.
Yes, I agree. Hot weather makes me tired too. My advice is to take a short break and drink some water. No, I disagree. I think we should finish this section first, then take a break.
I understand Citra, but my advice is to rest for 5 minutes so we can work better after that.
I agree with Dina. A short break will help us stay productive.
A few moments later.
Alright, after the break, let's continue with the conclusion. We need to make it clear and simple.
Yes, I agree. Clear conclusion help the readers understand our main idea.
I'm sorry guys, I disagree slightly. I think the conclusion should also include our personal opinions.
My advice is to combine both a clear summary and a short opinion.
I agree. That will make our assignment complete and strong.
Good job everyone! Even though the weather almost changed our mood, we managed to work well together.
Yes, I agree. Good team really helps, no matter the weather.
I agree, working together makes the task feel lighter.
My advice is to always support each other during group work.
I agree. Let's submit our assignment on time